My name is Samuli Nyman and I'm the Chief Engineer of WISA Woodsat. Today we are at Aalto University cleanroom facilities doing preparations for final assembly of WISA Woodsat. Here we have the EQM of the satellite, meaning that this is not the real thing but a sort of prototype that we do all kinds of tests on. And so today we are here to prepare everything for the final assembly. All the components of the satellite are being manufactured at different places. For example, the camera boom is being printed, the electronics are being assembled and so forth, and soon they will be delivered here where we'll build a satellite out of them. So in space technology we usually don't get second tries, so everything needs to be perfect on the first one. So this means, of course, all the components, all the surfaces need to be clean, cameras need to be functional and so forth, but also the assembly of the satellite is extremely important. Therefore, we check all the procedures, meaning how we assemble things, the order which we do them in, and so forth. They need to be correct on the first try.
The electronics design in this satellite is especially exciting because we have many different payloads and subsystems integrated into one small system. For instance, we have a 3D printed aluminum camera boom, an atomic oxygen experiment from Estonia, an onboard laboratory from the European Space Agency, and a miniaturized avionics, all enclosed in a structure combining ALD-coated plywood and 3D printed optimized metal structures. In addition, we have 2 cameras to capture everything.
As the chief engineer of the satellite, this starts to be the moment that I start to feel most of the work, or the satellite starts to be over. So all the things have been checked already, now it's just the final details and we start to get there.